One small change in your Google Ads account could bring your more leads, but most local business owner never notice it.
Hi there, this is Sanarul. I am a Google Ads specialist and web analytics expert, helping local service businesses to generate more qualified leads through data-driven PPC campaign. I specialized in Google Ads, Google Conversion Tracking, Google Tag Manager, and Google Analytics 4. I ensure your every single dollar is measurable and optimized for maximum ROI. My goal is simple: to businesses turn more click into real customer.
I have been review many Google Ads account for local service businesses. The interesting part, they are not biggest problem, they are at budget. Their problem at setup. When I improve their lead quality, first of all I checked 5 things. Number one, target high intent keyword. Focus on people who are ready to buy and book at your job. Not just clicking or just browsing, not just impression. Number two, location targeting. You pay for per click on Google. That's why you should be targeting your keywords. Actually, you serve those area. Number three, conversion tracking. Without conversion tracking, you are just guessing and losing your money, not profitable. Number four, you should be your landing page. Keep mobile friendly, easily contact with you, and clearly and eye-catching and customer user friendly. Number five, review your search term report regularly. You should be your search term report. That's your potential customer actually search your product and land your website. Those keywords you are getting more leads. You should be keep your those keywords, and you if you that's those keywords are not generate your leads, you should be those keyword keeping your keyword negative keyword list, because our goal not just click. Our actual goal is every single customer who are click my ad and land my website, that's convert their lead. If you curious your Google Ads account, Google Ad campaign, hold up and backend, that's you can comment below free audit. I will audit your Google Ads account and select your lacking area that will be improve you for more generate lead. So why being late? Comment below audit. If you think this video helpful for you and others, you can share this video to your friends and families for your business growth. So why being late? Share this video and follow me.